Welcome to this how-to guide on signing up and setting up your Workfolio for free. To begin, go onto the Workfolio for Trades websites by typing workfol.io into your browser. You can either enter a desired username here or click the Get Workfolio button in the top right. You will end up on the Sign Up login page, where you can choose to sign up with your Google or by simply adding your email address and clicking Continue. The latter will prompt you to check your email for a magic link, which is what you need to sign up if you do not use the Google method. Once you're initially signed up, you will be asked to choose a username. You can check the availability by starting to type, and if the initial name is not available, you can choose one that is. Pick one you are happy to be identified with. You will need to end the details that will sit on the front of the Workfolio, like your name, location, hours, and optionally your hourly charge rate. These can be changed later. Next, you will be asked to add the service you provide. Add at least one. As you can see, there is an extensive list for you to choose from. Once selected the main one, you can choose the subcategories to let your customers know the type of jobs you can and will do. You are able to add a subtitle and description to provide more info. Here on the bio section, you will add your initial description. This is first paragraph, which your customers will see, so you can enter a brief overview about yourself and your services. You can see that this is customizable by adding bold headings and bullet points to name a few. This can be edited later too. On this page, you can choose to skip if you don't have a logo, or choose to add your logo from your files. You can see that you can choose to zoom or rotate the image to suit you. Next, you can choose the background color of your Workfolio by either selecting the given options or by selecting the Match to Logo, which our system will generate 3 gradient variations based on the colors in your logo. Here you can choose to upgrade to a paid plan. The $99 lifetime is available at the time of the recording, or choose to continue here on the left on the totally free version. Congratulations, this is now set up. Choose to copy your link and start sharing, or you can continue to customize from the portal. See the next video for a tutorial on how to use the portal.